Pydantic AI agents orchestrate interactions with large language models, encapsulating the entire execution flow from user input to final output. The upcoming code demonstrates initializing an agent and then iteratively processing its execution steps to observe the underlying sequence of operations.
From Pydantic AI import agent. Agent equals agent.iter, GPT-5, 2. Async def main. Nodes equals. Hash begin an agent run, which is an async iterable over the nodes of the agent's graph. Async with agent, what is the capital of France, as agent run. Async for node and agent run. Hash each node represents a step in the agent's execution. Nodes, append node. Print nodes. UserPromptNode. User prompt equals, what is the capital of France? Instructions functions equals. System prompts equals. System prompt functions equals. System prompt dynamic functions equals. ModelRequestNode. Request equals ModelRequest. Parts equals. UserPromptNode. Content equals, what is the capital of France? Timestamp equals data time. Timestamp equals data time. Run ID equals. Conversation ID equals. CallToolsNode. Model response equals model response. Parts equals text part content equals the capital of France is Paris. Usage equals request usage input tokens equals 56. Output tokens equals 7. Model name equals GPT-5, 2. Timestamp equals data time. Run ID equals. Conversation ID equals. And data equals final result output equals the capital of France is Paris. Print agent run, result output. The capital of France is Paris.
This code demonstrates iterating over an agent's execution graph using agent.iter, which provides fine-grained control and visibility into the agent's internal steps. By treating the agent run as an async iterable, developers can process each node in the agent's workflow, such as UserPromptNode, ModelRequestNode, and CallToolsNode before the final end node. This pattern is particularly useful for debugging, logging, or injecting custom logic at specific points in the agent's decision-making process. The iteration exposes the sequence of operations, including the initial UserPromptNode with the user's query, the ModelRequestNode detailing the model request sent to the LLM, and the CallToolsNode encapsulating the model response and any tool interactions. Finally, the end node signifies the completion of the run, providing the final result and its output. This granular access allows for comprehensive monitoring of the run-id and conversation-id throughout the agent's execution, which is crucial for tracing and auditing complex AI workflows. Let's break it down.
From Pydantic AI import agent.
Imports the agent class from the Pydantic AI library, making it available to construct AI agents.
Agent equals agent.iter, GPT-5, 2.
An agent instance is created and assigned to the variable agent, configuring it to use the GPT-5, 2 model from the OpenAI provider.
Async def main. Nodes equals. Hash begin an agent run, which is an async iterable over the nodes of the agent's graph. Async with agent, what is the capital of France, as agent run. Async for node and agent run. Hash each node represents a step in the agent's execution. Nodes, append node. Print nodes.
Initiates an asynchronous iteration over the agent's execution graph for the prompt, what is the capital of France? Making each step of the agent's processing available as an agent run object within the async with block.
UserPromptNode.
Instantiates a UserPromptNode object, representing a user-provided input within a Pydantic AI workflow.
ModelRequestNode. Request equals ModelRequest.
Instantiates a ModelRequestNode object, passing a new ModelRequest object as its request parameter.
Timestamp equals datatime.
The timestamp parameter is assigned a datatime object, indicating a specific point in time. This line is part of a list of items, as shown by the closing bracket, suggesting it's an element within a collection.
Timestamp equals datatime.
Assigns a datatime object, representing a specific point in time, to the timestamp parameter.
Run ID equals. Conversation ID equals.
These lines assign string literal values to runid and conversationid parameters, which uniquely identify an agent's execution run and the ongoing conversation history, respectively.
CallToolsNode. Model response equals model response. Parts equals text part content equals the capital of France is Paris.
Initializes a CallToolsNode with a model response object, which contains a list of text part objects. The text part specifies the content, the capital of France is Paris, as part of the model's response.
Usage equals request usage input tokens equals 56. Output tokens equals 7.
A request usage object is instantiated with input tokens set to 56 and output tokens set to 7, representing the token consumption for a model request.
Model name equals GPT-5. 2.
Assigns the string literal GPT-5, 2 to the model name variable.
And data equals final result output equals the capital of France is Paris.
Creates an end object, which encapsulates a final result containing the string, the capital of France is Paris, as its output.
Print agent run, result output.
Prints the output attribute from the result attribute of the agent run object. The output represents the final value returned by the agent's run. This demonstration highlights how Pydantic AI agents, configured with a specific model like GPT-5, encapsulate the entire LLM interaction. By treating an agent run as an async iterable, developers gain granular visibility into the agent's execution graph, processing each node sequentially. This allows for observing the flow from the initial UserPromptNode and its user prompt through the ModelRequestNode detailing the model request sent to the LLM, and then the CallToolsNode, which contains the model response with the text part content and request usage metrics. Each of these nodes, along with the final end node providing the final result and its output, consistently carries runid and conversationid for comprehensive tracing. This iterative approach effectively transforms the agent's internal decision-making process into an observable sequence of operations, making complex AI workflows transparent and manageable.
The agent.iter that unfolds every node, yet conceals Paris's capital within its final result.